Experiencing issues with Spotify in your Tesla Model Y, such as missing album art, track skipping, or no sound at all? Don't worry, these problems are often easily resolved. This video provides step-by-step solutions to get your music streaming smoothly again. Most issues stem from software or connectivity glitches, rather than hardware failures. Spotify integrates with your Model Y through three main methods. The native Tesla app provides the most seamless experience, running as a web-based client in the car's browser or app store. This allows direct streaming over cellular or Wi-Fi without needing your phone. CarPlay for iOS devices and Android Auto for Android phones mirror your phone's Spotify controls directly on the Model Y's touchscreen, providing familiar navigation. Bluetooth serves as a basic fallback option for audio playback, though it's more susceptible to compression artifacts and skipping during playback. Common issues stem from software bugs, such as version incompatibilities between the Spotify app and Tesla's firmware. Connectivity problems like weak Bluetooth signals or Wi-Fi interference can cause playback disruptions. Account authorization issues, including expired subscriptions or region restrictions, may also prevent proper functioning. We'll address these in upcoming sections. Start with the basics by performing a Tesla reboot. Hold down both steering wheel buttons until the screen restarts. Next, ensure both your Tesla software and the Spotify app are updated to the latest versions. Clear the Spotify app cache in your Tesla's settings by navigating to Settings, then Apps, Spotify, and Clear Data. Finally, toggle Bluetooth and CarPlay or Android Auto off and on again to reset the connection. A weak Bluetooth connection can cause track skipping. Ensure your phone is close to the car and no other devices are interfering. For Wi-Fi streaming, connect your Model Y to a strong and stable network. Consider using a Wi-Fi hotspot from your phone if the car's cellular connection is unreliable. Missing album art in your Tesla Model Y is often caused by low-quality streaming settings in Spotify. When streaming quality is set too low, Spotify compresses the data, which can prevent album artwork from loading properly. To fix this, you need to enable high-quality streaming in the Spotify app. This ensures that all metadata, including album art, is properly downloaded and displayed. First, open the Spotify app on your paired device or directly on the Tesla infotainment screen. Navigate to Settings, then Audio Quality. Set both Wi-Fi and cellular streaming options to very high for the best results. With high-quality streaming enabled, your album art should now load correctly. If you're using Spotify in offline mode, the artwork is still available as it loads directly from Spotify's servers via their API. For persistent Spotify issues that basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve, access Tesla's service menu through the car's settings. This menu provides remote diagnostics that can identify and often fix connectivity problems automatically. To get ahead of Spotify issues, consider enrolling in Tesla's beta program through the vehicle's software menu. This gives you early access to software patches that fix Spotify bugs before they're widely released, helping prevent problems like skips or missing album art. Tesla's V13.1 update brought a significant improvement with Spotify Stability Mode. This feature allocates dedicated system resources to the Spotify app, prioritizing its performance and reducing interruptions from other vehicle processes, resulting in smoother playback and fewer connectivity issues. Tesla's AI assistant can now auto-detect Spotify issues and suggest fixes in real time. This intelligent system monitors the vehicle's infotainment for problems like playback failures or connection drops, providing immediate solutions without manual troubleshooting. The AI provides specific recommendations, such as installing the latest firmware updates to resolve compatibility issues or switching between Wi-Fi and Bluetooth networks for better connectivity. These suggestions appear directly on the touchscreen, making fixes quick and user-friendly. Looking ahead, Tesla is shifting toward unified ecosystems that integrate Spotify directly into the vehicle's system. Features like supercharger streaming allow music playback during charging sessions without relying on external apps, reducing compatibility problems and enhancing the driving experience. If none of the troubleshooting steps we've covered resolve your Spotify issues in the Tesla Model Y, it's time to contact Tesla support for further assistance. Their team can perform remote diagnostics to pinpoint the problem, whether it's software related or a hardware issue, like a faulty Bluetooth module that can be replaced under warranty. Remember to always keep your Tesla software updated and verify your connectivity settings. With these steps, you should be enjoying uninterrupted music on the road.